Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday, 6:05 in the morning. That rhymes. Anyways, welcome to the Cats channel, and we kind of have a full house. We have Caramel. We have the gray cat. We have the white cat. And all the way over there, hi, we have her. Hi, beautiful. What are you doing over there, mamas? Huh? What are you doing over there? So, I fed them early because they were all here, like, waiting for me to feed them. So, here they are. Hi, Caramel. Hi, Papa. How you doing, handsome? Hi. 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 He has this evil look on his face, but he can be sweet and sour at the same time. He's a handsome little boy, aren't you? Aren't you handsome? So, like I was saying, they were all out here, and I had to feed them early because this one was making my neighbor's dogs bark like crazy. This one's always hungry. Do you have fresh water? Oh no, you don't. I gotta clean your water, dude. Yes, I do. Hey. Look at that. There she is. You gonna jump? Jump! Hi. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Hi, mamas. Oh, hi, beautiful. Hi. How you doing? Okay. I'm gonna let you guys go for now. So the only ones we are missing is just Machas. Like I said, he was here earlier and then he just left because him and him don't get along. So you guys all have a good morning. You guys all have a good Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys later. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't do a video yesterday. They were not here at all whatsoever. I don't know what happened. The cats were not here.